Yo, it's A Hobbs. I'm just here to tell you thank you for subscribing to EDGE Welding Cups. We appreciate it. I am an EDGE Welding Cup user myself. Been using them now for about 5 years. We'll continue to use them. Best company out there. Thank you so much.
What's up, guys? Brad White here at ArcLight Fab. EDGE Army member since 2018 sometime. Just wanted to say thank you to all of our subscribers, 1,000 plus. Hopefully we can get more and we bring you great, exciting content in the future. Cheers. Have a good one. Later.
Yo, Brian Legalio here, Bingo Welding on Instagram. I've been blessed to be a part of the EDGE Army for the past year. Really honored to be a part of this group of people and excited to see what we have in the future. Can't wait to see y'all at FabTech.
Welt here from the EDGE Army, coming in to thank you all for 1,000 subscribers. We appreciate your support very much and we hope it's continued. Thank you.
Hi, Chris Coles here. I've been part of the EDGE Army for 2 years, and I just wanted to say thank you all for your support and 1,000 subscribers. Keep watching for more great content.
Hey everyone, Danae Bushcutter here. I have been a part of the EDGE Army for almost 3 years, if not 3 years, I think. Time flies when you're surrounded by a great group of people and are having fun. But I want to come on here and thank you for being a loyal subscriber and viewer of our YouTube channel. And if you're neither one of those, you're missing out. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you go and click that subscribe button down below. And thank you for helping us hit 1,000 followers.
Hello, Dusty from Pacific Arc TIG Welding here. I have been part of the EDGE Army for 4 years now. Crazy, 4 years already. Just want to say a big congratulations to everybody at EDGE for 1,000 subscribers. And to everybody out there, keep watching for more great content coming from them. Happy welding.
Hi, I'm Jerry and I've been with the EDGE Army for 6 years. I wanted to say thank you for all your support and 1,000 subscribers. Keep watching for more great welding content.
Hey guys, it's Harrison Stone with the EDGE Army. I want to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. That is absolutely awesome. Please keep watching and keep liking all of our videos. We've got a lot more content coming that you do not want to miss.
Hey guys, Ian here. I just wanted to thank you guys for all the support along the way and helping us reach 1,000 subscribers.
Everyone, Johnny Snyder here with Johnny S. Weld and the EDGE Army, and I wanted to take a minute and say congratulations to EDGE Welding Supply on hitting 1,000 subscribers on their YouTube channel. Definitely know that's not an easy task, and they did it, and it's looking good. They got some awesome content on there, and it's been such a blast being able to be part of their YouTube channel, making content for it, and working alongside with all the other EDGE Army members and other people that's been involved as well. So thank you all for supporting EDGE and supporting their YouTube channel and being involved, liking, commenting. Yeah, cheers to it.
G'day guys, James from Notion Fabrication here. I've been part of the EDGE Army for about 3 years now. Awesome to see the EDGE YouTube channel get to 1,000 subscribers. Keep following, more awesome content coming and big things. Thanks everyone.
Hi, this is James West with James West Welding. I've been part of EDGE Army since 2016. Thank you for your support and 1,000 subscribers. Keep watching for more great content.
Hey everyone, Jesse here with EDGE. I've been an EDGE member for 7 years now. Just want to give a huge shout out to everybody that's been liking and following the YouTube page. Pretty awesome. We've hit 1,000 subscribers. Really appreciate everyone's support, and we'll see you guys soon.
Hey guys, Austin Hill here. I've been a part of EDGE Army for 3 years now, a little over. And thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting.
Hi, my name is Johnny Jones. I've been a part of the EDGE Army for 3 years. Thank you all for your support and 1,000 subscribers. Keep watching for more great content.
What is going on, you guys? This is Tim from 2 a.m. Later. I have been part of the EDGE Army for less than a year now, but I have been part of the EDGE media team for over a year. I have been editing the videos that have been going on this YouTube channel. From the day I started to the day we hit 1,000 subscribers has been absolutely amazing. I love editing all the content that goes on this page. I hope to do more. Let's get it to 10,000.
Hi, Lars here. I've been a part of the EDGE Army for 2 years. Thank you for your support and 1,000 subscribes. Keep watching for more great content.
Hey guys, Lisa here, proud member of EDGE Army this last year. Thank you for your support and 1,000 subscribers. Keep watching for more great content.
Hi, it's Welder here, part of the EDGE Army for 2 years now. I want to thank you for your support and for the 1,000 subscribers. Keep watching for more content to come.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Ryan from A10 Metalworks. I've been in the EDGE Army for about a year now, and I want to thank you for supporting the YouTube channel.
Hey guys, it's Tyler Caton here with EDGE. Been with EDGE for about 2.5 years, almost 3, and I want to thank you guys for supporting.
Zombie here, been part of the EDGE Army for 3 years. Thanks for all the support and 1,000 subscribers. Stay tuned for great content.